Certainly, here are 23 more benefits of cucumber. 1. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. 2. Reduces bad breath and promotes oral health. 3. Promotes healthy hair and nails. 4. Boosts immune function. 5. Supports healthy vision. 6. May help prevent certain types of cancer. 7. Promotes healthy kidneys. 8. Helps reduce stress and anxiety. 9. Supports healthy joints and bones. 10. Helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 11. Promotes healthy digestion and gut health. 12. Helps reduce inflammation in the body. 13. May help improve memory and cognitive function. 14. Promotes healthy weight management. 15. Helps reduce the risk of heart disease. 16. Supports healthy pregnancy and fetal development. 17. Helps improve sleep quality. 18. Promotes healthy liver function. 19. Helps reduce the risk of stroke. 20. May help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. 21. Supports healthy blood pressure levels. 22. Helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 23. May help improve overall energy levels and reduce fatigue. As you can see, cucumbers offer a wide range of health benefits that make them a nutritious addition to any diet. Incorporating cucumbers into your meals and snacks can help support overall health and well-being.